Hello, this is Jyoti Barula and welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 of our Vietnam journey and we are off to explore the enchanting Cat village in Sapa. Early in the morning, we checked out of our stay and hopped into a cab. Cat village is just 2 kilometers away from the center of Sapa and even the ride there felt magical. The weather was misty and it had been raining, but trust me, everything looked like a dream. The mountains were wrapped in clouds, the greenery looked freshly washed, and the views absolutely breathtaking. As we reached the village, we noticed several shops renting out beautiful traditional dresses. But first, we grabbed some fresh coconut water to fuel ourselves. Right at the main entrance, there's a big gate with Cat Village written on it. After buying our tickets, we had them checked and begin walking down the narrow stone path that takes into the village. While we make our way, let me tell you a little about this stunning place. Cat is home to Hmong ethnic people who have lived here for generations. It's like stepping into a peaceful fairy tale. Tiny wooden houses, lush rice terraces, and winding mountain paths. You will hear waterfall in the distance and see locals weaving fabric, making craft, and living a lifestyle deeply rooted in tradition and nature. It is not just a tourist destination, it's a living museum of culture, and every turn feels like a postcard. As we continued exploring, we stumbled upon a huge waterfall, one of the highlights of the village. Small river streams that run through the entire village, adding to the serene vibe. The sound of the water, the mist in the air, and the greenery all around. It felt like we were inside a painting. I was genuinely in awe with the beauty of this place. And look at these adorable little doors and windows. It's giving total Hobbit village vibes. Even the flowers blooming along the path was so vibrant. There are also some cute cafes tucked into corner of the village, and many of them offer traditional dresses too. Just a tip, the rental prices inside the village are slightly higher than those on the main road above. Next, we cross the charming Happy Bridge, and yes, it lives up to the name. It's decorated with little teddy bears that will instantly lift your mood. We visited a traditional house that gives a glimpse of the Hmong lifestyle. Though it is curated for tourists, it still holds authenticity and charm. Inside, everything is crafted with care, wooden interiors, handmade decor, and display of old tools. We even spotted other tourists dressed in traditional outfit clicking the perfect photos. And then I met a cat. In Cat Village, he followed me around like a tour guide and we instantly became best friends. It was such a wholesome moment. The village is full with little surprises, from birds playing in the rain to colorful flowers lining in the pathway. This one stretch of the path looked exactly like a wedding aisle, so fresh and dreamy. There's also a small amphitheater here where traditional performances take place. Although we missed the show due to time, it looked like a great spot to experience the culture live with sitting laid out for visitors to enjoy. Walking further, we came across locals weaving fabric and crafting beautiful handmade souvenirs. We also saw a woman making rice wine the traditional way, the kind of things that make travel truly memorable. Painted stones, sun-dried corn, and old tools used for grinding rice gave a glimpse into daily life here. We spotted a giant water wheel also. There were more cozy cafes, aesthetic and inviting. There were white horses, scenic cafes, river bank, the giant wheel, everything just so perfect and just like a movie set. One of the cafe was even roasting chicken and duck over open flame just like the old traditional way, and the aroma was irresistible. We reached the third bridge, and wow, the view from there was unbelievable. This village is much larger than I expected, and every corner is picture perfect. I really wished we had more time here, but unfortunately, we will have to leave early now. Thankfully, we caught a sightseeing train back up to the gate. It was much needed on that steep incline. From there, we grabbed a cab and treated ourselves to some ice cream before boarding our sleeper bus back to Hanoi. Sapa is beautiful, but unfortunately we had to leave earlier than planned due to the cold weather affecting our health, as we were not prepared for this temperature. Now we are in Hanoi and checking in to our stay. Let me give you a quick Airbnb tour. We got ready to dive back into the buzzing city nightlife. This time we headed straight to the famous beer street, lively, colorful, and active until early morning. Hanoi really knows how to party. We grabbed a few beers and I even mustered the courage to try the famous Vietnamese coffee vodka shot. It was on fire and I was very scared to try it, but somehow I got the courage and oh my god, what an experience! It was extremely strong, sweet, and definitely unforgettable. We are ending the day with some fruit and even ran into a little mousy friend. What an amazing day! Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. See you on the next one. Until then, bye.